What is AWS CodeArtifact? AWS CodeArtifact is a fully managed package management service that helps developers and organizations securely store, publish, and share software packages used in their software development process. It supports popular package managers and build tools like Maven, Gradle, NPM, Yarn, Twine, Pip, NuGet, and SwiftPM, providing a scalable and secure environment for artifact management. How it works for AWS CodeArtifact? Pull application dependencies from public artifact repositories that will be stored in AWS CodeArtifact. Manage access and apply policies across multiple accounts within your organization using a domain name, then securely publish and store packages of repositories from and to developers for application development, and also fetching application dependencies at build time and publish built artifacts back to your repositories using AWS CodeBuild and other CI/CD systems. Thank you for joining our session on AWS CodeArtifact. We encourage you to explore how CodeArtifact can integrate into your development process to optimize your package management strategy.